Hello again, this is Paul Abrahams from Learn Jazz Piano Online, and this is part 2 of what I'm calling the most important chord in jazz, the dominant seventh. I'll start by showing how it moves from 5 to 1, tension to release, and I'll briefly talk about the different functions of this chord, moving and static. I've been describing 5-1 as tension to release. So the 5 chord is tension and the release is on the 1. Dominant equals tension, tonic equals release. And because 5 wants to go to 1, we add tension to this 5, and there are ways of doing this. So let's go back to our G7th chord. You'll remember that the Mixolydian mode is G to G, white notes. 1, 3, 5 and 7 are the 4 notes of the G7, and you'll notice that there are 3 notes that aren't part of this chord but are a part of the Mixolydian mode. The A, the C and the E. 2, 4, 6. We could also describe these as 9, 11 and 13. So we could add tension by, for example, adding the 9, in this case the A, to the G7 and then resolving it to the 1. Or we could add the 6, which is also known as the 13. There it is, the E, and that gives us tension, and we now can resolve to the C chord. And in fact, I've added a 9 to the C chord. So this is when the 5, the dominant seventh, is moving towards its 1, or wants to move towards the 1. Sometimes it doesn't actually arrive there. There's also what we call the static dominant seventh, which isn't going anywhere, but I'll talk about that next time. You can find the complete video course for my Learn Jazz Piano Online at www.learnjazzpianoonline.com, but I will continue with this short tutorial about the most important chord in jazz next time. See you then.